My name is Dr. Steve Fu. I'm the head of emergency medicine here at the Black River Hospital.
And I'm Dr. Trevor Dixon. I'm from the JAHJAH Foundation. I'm a physician at Jacobi Medical Center in the Bronx.
Okay. So, as you know, when Hurricane Melissa hit our shores, the Black River Hospital was decimated. I received a call from Dr. Dixon no later than a day or two afterwards to say, what is it that we needed? One of the major dislocations that we faced here was that a lot of the healthcare workers had lost their homes and their roofs. And that is where the consultation began, and Dr. Trevor Dixon is here today, along with a 40-foot container of building materials donated by his very generous donors to help some of the healthcare workers to restore some level of normalcy to their lives. He has also bought hospital supplies, and he's bought toys for the children, food as well, right, which is very important. And we're just thankful. We want to thank each and every one of you who have donated to this worthy cause. And I just wanted to just continue supporting the JAHJAH Foundation in their works, because they have really done a lot for this country. So thanks, Trevor. It's always a pleasure working with you.
Well, you know, with us, it's not just about giving, it's giving and know that we have local champions like yourself and, of course, Jeremy and Porter, who have always kept a close relationship with us, so we know what's going on the ground. And if we don't have local champions like you, honestly, people who will know if we hand something off, we could tell our donors and our supporters that no more, it's in safe hands, because, you know, we know Dr. Stephen Fu and Jeremy and Porter, who's not here right now, but, you know, you guys work well together, and I'm happy that, you know, we have local champions like you. So it's not just about JAHJAH Foundation, and you're actually a part of the JAHJAH Foundation. So
it's always my pleasure, man.
Okay, and thank you for all you do. And Ms. Diana Brown, our CEO, and of course the SMO, Dr. Imaru, who's not here right now. But we're one family, and the Black River family has always been close to us. We did medical missions here before.
Absolutely.
So we knew, you know, you guys were family. We knew you needed help, and we're happy that we can help. Because of our donors and supporters, we're able to help. So we're happy we were able to do that. Thank you so much.
All right. And thanks, everybody. Enough respect, Trevor.
Yeah, man. One
Every
love,
time, bro.
JAHJAH Foundation. JAHJAH,